Hi, this is Alex from Beech Hill Garage. We're delighted to be able to offer this stunning 1963 MGB Roadster, finished in traditional British racing green. The car is sat on chrome wire wheels, which really makes the car stand out. It's actually a stunning example of the very early incarnation of the model, generally referred to as the pull handle, as denoted by the door handles, which changed to a push button on the later models. The car's been fully restored to an extremely high standard. Bodywork is pretty well flawless. Shut lines are excellent. Really deep gloss to the paint. Everything's either been renewed or replaced or reconditioned. As you would expect, it drives absolutely superbly. These really are the prettiest bees. A lot of people like the purity of the lines. This example retains its pack-away hood. It's got all of the early features, different door handles and winder arrangement. The black crackle dashboard has clearly been refurbished in excellent order. Nice period motor-liter style wood rim steering wheel. The standard of finish extends to the engine bay. As you can see, everything's been refinished to an extremely high standard.